I'm selling my XRP. I have been debating on making this video, but it's come to my, understanding that so many people know me as the XRP guy, and it's weighing so heavy on my heart, man. So I want to be fully transparent and tell you guys why I am exiting XRP and why I've already sold. And I want to kind of explain that because we've been on this journey together, and this journey, unfortunately with XRP, honestly, I feel different about it now, and I want to give you guys an update. But thankfully, that's not going to be today because we're not fucking selling. You understand right now, selling would be the most insane thing to do. And I'm going to break down today why XRP is going to go fucking ballistic. But first, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you want all of the plays I'm taking every single day automated to your account, then DM us crypto on IG. We've been going crazy. Thousands of plays. And it's just been nuts. So if you want in on all of that, DM us. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So the main reason why I'm coming on here today and making this video is because, as a matter of fact, the XRP lawsuit is done. For the first time since I started making YouTube videos, the lawsuit is actually ended. And that's actually kind of crazy to say. But that's not the only thing that's crazy. Right now, the charts were sitting at $2.22. And I'm telling you, we are just getting started. Right now, we're in a very interesting spot because for the first time in 4 years, we don't have a lawsuit holding us back. There's no real lawsuit or litigation going on that could be a negative effect to the price like it has been for the past 4 years. And all of that uncertainty that the markets had about XRP just being at 50 cents, it's all gone. Guys, we've been sitting up here at $2 for fucking months. We're going on damn near a year of us being up here. In November, as long as we keep this shit up, we would have been up here for damn near a year, dude. And this is the first time in XRP history we've ever had price action like this. And I am telling you, I am so fucking bullish. But I kind of wanted to give an update. So here's what I think is going to happen. First off, the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, is bull posting like a motherfucker right now. Back in November, before we had that massive pump, what was he doing? He was telling you that XRP is the strongest it's ever been. He was posting up with Donald Trump. All of this shit was happening, and we were like, wait, what the fuck is going on? I told you guys, stuff's about to go crazy. We broke out of this channel, went absolutely fucking nuts, and that was just the start. And fast forward to July of 2025, he's doing the same thing. He's telling you to, quote unquote, lock in. And that, locking in is 1000% the thing you need to be doing right now. And I just got to ask you a question. What the fuck do you think it means when Ripple, the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, is telling you to lock in? We've never seen him talk like this before. It's so direct. Why the fuck would he tell you to lock in if the shit's just going to crash to 50 cents again? It doesn't make sense. So in my opinion, there is so much stuff to be bullish about, and it's just like the announcements keep coming out. Like they're applying for a banking license. That just came out the other day. That's huge. That's going to have major implications for XRP in the future. And it's overall, we're at a point right now where I am sitting here again at $2.22, and I'm telling you, $5 is coming. You could see it on the charts. You cannot see it on the charts. It's really up to you, but you could choose to listen or to just be quiet and be with the rats like you did last time when we were at 50 cents and you didn't listen there. I am telling you, 50 cents is not 50 cents. $5 is coming again. And as a matter of fact, I want to say something here right now. I think $2 is the new 50 cents. We spent so much time down here in the 50 cent area that it was honestly a meme at this point. The XRP is a stable coin at 50 cents. I'm telling you, that's over. You're never going to see 50 cents again. Mark my fucking words. Someone bet me money right now that we'll never see 50 cents again. Under the exclusion that we don't go into World War III and some crazy shit happens and we all get bombed. Other than that, I can almost guarantee that 50 cents will never happen again. What else can you say? Bro, this is proven time and time again for the last year that this is one of the best crypto assets. And I know people meme the shit out of it. XRP is a stable coin. It's not going anywhere. But I think those arguments are invalid now. And I'm so excited. So I am not selling my crypto. I'm not selling my XRP. I'm not selling shit. You would be a fucking fool. Now understand, yes, on Bitcoin, we're sitting up here at 110,000 damn near. This isn't a great buy. And unfortunately, I can't say that $2 is the best buy that you can get either because we've had so many years to buy it at 50 cents. But I am uber confident in the team at Ripple and then in everything that's going on in the world is going to kind of comb over and crypto is going to go back into another major bull run. And, for all the crazy shit that's happened with the tariffs and, fucking Iran and Israel and all this stuff, crypto's kind of held up really well. And honestly, I'm very surprised. Because it feels like a couple years ago, if any of this shit was happening, it would have tanked Bitcoin like $30,000. that just hasn't happened. XRP's held up, Bitcoin's held up. I'm really optimistic about the future, and I genuinely think that if you're sitting right here in July of 2025 and you're looking at XRP, by the time 2030 rolls around, you're going to look back at this video and be like, what the fuck was I thinking? Why didn't I do that? It's a no-brainer. Look into what Ripple's doing. Look into all the shit that they got going on, and I can guarantee you'll come to the same conclusion. I'll leave you off with this. I was at the Ripple conference a couple weeks ago, and I have never met a group of more sound individuals in my fucking life. We were there, and I've never had this many people come up to me, but people coming up left, right, center, asking for a picture. It was the coolest shit ever. But like seeing people there just supporting that shit, thousands of people, it really opened my mind. Like, we are just in the beginning. And what's even crazier is if you looked at the Bitcoin conference that was going on a couple days before, there was even more people there. I know we're early to XRP, and I know what the fuck I'm holding. And at this point, it's just like I've been saying, it's a waiting game. We waited for years to go to an all-time high, and it happened. And we might be waiting a little bit longer to go to $3, $4, $5, but I can almost guarantee it's going to happen. So I'll leave you with that. Leave a like if you enjoyed these videos. I'm about to pump these shits out like a motherfucker, and I got a lot more crazy content coming. And if you want to get all of my plays automated to your account, the DMS Crypto on IG, give it a follow. I post all my plays there, and we have been going absolutely crazy. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. Hey, let me know what you think about the setup. I'm kind of fucking with it. I got another room in there that I'm kind of renovating right now, but maybe you guys like it. So love you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.